92.5.
Philadelphia Eagles cheerleaders here, Renee and Deanna. Welcome this morning.
Hi. How are you guys?
We're great. Thanks for having us.
Yes, we're excited to be here.
We're excited to have you. We're going to play a little game in a little while, but first we want to talk about why you guys are here today.
Yes, absolutely. We have our mock audition beauty and fitness workshop coming up this Tuesday, March the 3rd from 6 to 10 p.m. at the Lincoln Financial Field.
Doc has been waiting for this.
When will that day ever get here?
Right?
Yeah.
It's a great opportunity for girls that are interested in coming out to audition. Just women. Because at the mock audition, you'll get the chance to learn the actual audition dance that you'll be doing at the open call auditions, which will give you a really great opportunity to rehearse beforehand so that you can arrive feeling really prepared and able to perform to your best.
So
Awesome.
every year, do you have to, how long have you guys been with the Eagles now?
I just completed my second season on the squad.
Okay.
And I actually just completed my rookie year.
You're rookie. Okay. So are you like locked in, or no? Do you have to compete for your job every year?
Yeah, we're vying for our spots every year. It keeps us on our toes. It keeps us in our best shape, and we kind of, want to come back better than what we performed last year.
And the audition process is so much fun, especially the final audition show. So I'm really excited to audition again.
Awesome.
Did you guys cheer in like high school and college? You do that, or is this something just?
I did. I cheered in both high school and college.
I did as well, but, there are girls that come from not a dance or cheerleading background. So, honestly, it's just about feeling confident in who you are and what you can do. It's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. We get to cheer in front of 70,000 fans. We have photo shoots, and what else? Renee was in the calendar this year.
Whoa.
Yeah, so modeling opportunities, and it's a great opportunity. Like we say, you don't have to have a cheer or dance background.
Yeah, they're really just looking for well-rounded women.
Andy, what time are you heading down to the tryout?
Yeah, right. Woo.
Come on down. You're right.
Yeah, that's totally me. All right, we want to get into our game. I'm going to get that clipboard that's over there, though, because I have to write stuff down as I'm doing this.
Okay.
So.